Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to be here with you today to show you how to make some delicious breakfast burritos. These are perfect for busy mornings when you're on the go, and the best part is that you can freeze them too. Let's get started. To start, let's cook our turkey sausage in a non-stick cooking pan. I personally like to season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, but feel free to use any seasoning of your choice to add some extra flavor. Once the sausage is cooked, we'll add a can of diced tomatoes into the bowl and mix it with the sausage. Give it a good stir and set aside. While the sausage and tomatoes are blending their flavors, let's cook some delicious hash browns. You can use frozen hash browns or make them from scratch. It's up to you. Once they're cooked, transfer them to a separate bowl and set them aside. Now, let's move on to the scrambled eggs. In the same pan, melt some butter and crack in 6 eggs. Instead of scrambling the eggs beforehand, we'll scramble them right in the pot. Keep stirring the eggs continuously to prevent them from overcooking. Towards the end, add your preferred seasoning to taste, and don't forget to add a tablespoon of sour cream for extra creaminess. Our filling is now ready to be wrapped in tortillas for our breakfast burritos. You can heat up the tortillas for a few seconds in the microwave or on a stovetop to make them more pliable. Spoon some of the filling onto the tortilla. Roll it up tightly, and voila! Your breakfast burrito is ready to enjoy. Remember, these burritos are perfect for on the go, and you can store the breakfast burritos in the freezer in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.